Ever wondered how websites actually work behind the scenes? Why do people talk about front-end and back-end like they're two different worlds? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Front-end is everything the user sees: the layout, colors, buttons, animations, and how the website feels. It uses languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue. If you click a button and something changes on screen, that's front-end magic. Back-end is the engine running underneath, the part you can't see. It handles logic, authentication, payments, storing data, and sending information back to the front end. Back-end developers use languages like Node.js, Python, Java, PHP, and databases like MySQL or MongoDB. When you log in, the back-end checks your details and sends back your personalized data. Front-end and back-end constantly talk to each other using APIs, just like a conversation. Think of a restaurant. The waiter is the front end, what you interact with. The chef in the kitchen is the back end, doing the real work. Front-end developers focus on design and user experience. Back-end developers focus on logic, data, and performance. And someone who knows both is called a full-stack developer. So next time you shop online, remember, the front end shows the product, the back end fetches the price, and together they create the experience. Front end is what you see. Back end is how everything works. Both are essential. If this made sense, hit subscribe for more tech explainers from Lunatic Coder.